Hi everyone, Teresa here at Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Here to show you the 24G Winnebago Navion. Great rig by Winnebago. It's a Class C, and you'll notice in the front right away you've got these great big nice mirrors visible from the side, the rear. The lighting will let people know all around you that you're getting ready to change lanes. Also, you've got the extra mirror for seeing people in your blind spot. Going inside from the passenger's view, a beautiful spacious entry into a cockpit that's ready for comfort while you're traveling. Coming in to the side, on your patio side, you'll notice a full-length awning with lighting for those nice picnics when you're getting ready to just pull out and be done with traveling. Open up your awning and ready to relax. There you can store all of your grills and cooking utensils. Also, your generator is located here. And in these, you'll notice you've got the Truma water, instant hot water made by Truma. This comes and is designed in Germany. Comes from and is designed in. The best in the market. More storage. A hitch. More storage. And also you've got your rear view camera. And right now I've got this slide closed. You can see it does have a slide topper, just like the living room slide on this side. Nice sized living room when that's open. We'll show you on the inside. This is your outside shower and access to your tanks. That way you don't have to crawl underneath to empty your tanks. More spacious storage. Again, much like the Class A's in the way the doors open, stay open, and slam shut. Coming around to the driver's side, easy access, very comfortable seating. The seats kind of hug you like a little sports car, and everything is at your fingertips. Navigation and radio, everything's right there. Beautiful rig. Let's see the inside of what this looks like. This one you'll notice right away, it's got the darker colored gray-brown leather and plenty of cabinet storage. You've got your pull-down shades and also the sunshade. Lots of headroom getting in and out of your cabin. Storage above. Very nicely appointed. Electric opening for your airflow. A nice TV here on a swivel so that you can see it from there. Double sinks. Nice, deep, open cabinetry. You wouldn't expect that in a unit this size. 3 large drawers. A 2-burner stove and a convection microwave. You don't have to have your storage taken up by a stove. Air conditioning, lighting that is actually on a dimmer makes it really nice in here. And coming back further, bathroom that's made a lot of sense out of the storage space. Porcelain toilet, beautiful appointments, and lighting. Coming in the back, I purposely left the slide shut because I know you see all kinds of videos with them open, so you know what the bed looks like. And when it is open, you do have a nice walk-around bed. But this is how it is when it's folded up while you're traveling, which still gives someone a little bit of space, maybe a little one to come curl up and take a little nap if you don't feel like stopping to open up your slides. You also have a TV back here, your information and control center, and a small door, and this door is just for privacy's sake. And come in the bedroom and have a little snooze all on your own while everybody else picnics. And that's a little bit about this. I would love to tell you more. I hope that you like what you see, and you'll call me at 253-886-7253 and I can get you some more information. Again, Teresa at Guaranty RV. Thank you.